Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss the previously asked questions on priority queues, that is under unit 3. The first question is, what is the binary max heap? Give an example. Okay, we already know the max heap concept. In this session I will explain whether the topic is covered in the previous or not. If the topic is covered, please refer that video, and if the topic is not covered, I will explain. So we know the max heap concept, max heap and min heap. Write the max heap with an example. And the second one is the time complexity of a build heap algorithm. Now we will discuss this one. I am underlining this one. I am circling time complexity of build heap algorithm. We will discuss event simulation problem. This is one of the priority queue application. This is also completed. What is the maximum height of a binary heap with n nodes? So we will discuss. And explain build heap algorithm. Give an example. So we already written the algorithm of build heap with an example. And binary heap structured property. So binary heap has two properties, structured property and order property. Write in detail about structured property, that is including complete binary tree. Next one, do the following operations on priority queues. Construct min and max priority queue with the following elements. A. Insert 2 and 28 in the minimum priority queue. Perform 2 successive deletion operations on the maximum priority queue. Now in this question we have to apply min and max heap concepts. Min heap and max heap concepts. After construction, insert 2 and 28 to the minimum heap and perform 2 deletion operations on the maximum heap. We already know how to construct min heap and max heap, how to perform deletion operations. Even though this example is not covered, we are covered with some another example. So we also discuss this example. Later we will discuss this example also. Next, binary heap order property. Okay, implementation methods of priority queue. This is the first concept on priority queues, that is using arrays, linked list, binary search and heaping. Insertion and deletion algorithm of priority heap. Here priority heap means, remember, it is a binary heap. We already know insertion and deletion algorithm. Remember, in each insertion and deletion we have to write binary heap, that is a build heap algorithm also. First we have to write build heap algorithm and then write insertion and deletion algorithm. Okay, and the next one, define a priority queue. Okay, we know the definition of priority queue. Define a binomial queue and explain the properties of binomial queue. That is introduction part to binomial queue. Merging of two binomial queues, union of two binomial queues with an example. That is, the first operation of binomial queue is merging. So in this, write the procedure how to merge two binomial queues. Consider an example. Perform merge operation. Please refer the previous video. And this union of two binomial queues. What is the difference between merging and union? Union means it is lazy binomial queue. Union means the lazy binomial queues. Simply concatenate both the binomial queues. The next one is, so this is also completed. The next one is operations supported by a minimum priority queue. So the minimum priority queue mainly supports two operations. One is insertion operation. Second one is delete minimum operation. Insertion and delete minimum operation. Okay, explain with one example. Next, these are the elements. Construct a binomial heap by considering one at a time into an initially empty binomial queue. Okay, we know the construction of binomial queue, but for this example we have not covered, so I will explain this example also. Okay, the same concept. The elements are inserted one by one in the given order into a max heap. What is the resultant max heap? So the simple question is insertion of elements into a max heap. Okay, construct the binary heap. Write a routine for delmin from the binary heap. So for this I am constructing min heap. And write the algorithm for delete minimum operation. We already know delete minimum operation. So in the previous I am explaining either one or two examples of min heap. Okay, These are the previous. Now step by step we will move to each one. First, the time complexity of build heap algorithm and maximum height. So we will discuss all in the later sessions. Thank you.